Cool.
Hello, everyone.
Wait, not yet. We can edit it, remember, right? Where'd the game go? Yeah. Okay, say, do your intro. Say, hey,
Hello, everyone. Today we're just gonna play some Minecraft. Say, oh yeah, I've been playing this game for a long time, guys. A long time.
Like this,
Have you guys watched my video?
and then jump like that.
Where we put? I don't know where to go. I always don't know where to go. Let's go down there. Yeah. So hard on the computer. If you guys know any YouTuber who plays on the computer on Minecraft, don't. I do not like that. What happens? I was out of step skates. No, I actually pressed shift. Sorry, guys. Look at that. I'm the top guy. Is there anyone in my world? I think no one even passed the teleport. Someone said stage 1. Right there, guys. No one has the pit. I'm going to know this one. I never had those before. I am so weird. I do not like that. I just don't. Oh, I'm doing that. I'm so. It's so. I'm so bad playing on the computer, guys. So bad. I just missed the jump. I did a really good job. Look at that. Look at that over there, guys. That's like some hamburgers. I did that. That was so tricky. You can go up those stairs, but it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while to go up those stairs. And that's where the next teleporter is, but we're so close to it. Guys, I figured out baby up there. That is named Claire. And his family. He is my friend. I have a Jurassic Park. If you guys can't see it, right there. I have a Jurassic Park shirt on, which it's so confusing on a computer, guys. So confusing. I wasted like 5 minutes on this. I never even made it, cause I'm already on 355. I pressed shift. Guys, I might have to make sure. After this, I'm poop at all these. I'm poop at it. Poop. Just poop at it. I don't even know how to do all these on a computer. Look, I'm so poop at it. I was just playing. Okay, guys. In the chat. Hello. So, have we it's over here. Okay, there you go. And I'm supposed to, what? I'm supposed to enter the chat. Hello. I said hello. Submit. Why didn't it say my name? Why didn't it go? Thanks for I'm trying to. I already chatted. What? Enter? Okay. What? You press enter? I understand. Guys, I don't understand. I don't see who's playing now, but I do not understand.
There we go.
Okay. Yeah, I'm on my phone. Hope you all say yes. Uncomfortable. Yeah, boy. Getting your friends up here. Nope. How weird am I at this game? Does he want to be my friend? I don't think he does. Do you want to be my friend, please? I gave in jump. How weird am I? I hate this stage. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Yep. I went backward. How weird am I? That's why I hate computers on Roblox. I did not just. I own someone. I cannot. I'm sorry. I love the Xbox more. I hate it. I hate the stage. I might just go back. But I supposed to make like a 10-block jump in Minecraft, guys. That is the comment below, guys. Tell me if you can make it 10 block. Can I see you? I don't understand how to do a stage. I just don't understand. I'm gonna go to skip stage. Actually, no. Skip. I just want to skip. Get away! 40 coins. I don't have 20 coins. What is 25? 1,000. What's this? 10? 400? 500 is. Oh no. 5 is. What's 5? 200. How much is 2? 80. Gear. No, have a fidget. I'm gravity core for that. How much is a gravity core? 80. What about a balloon? How much is a balloon? 25. I don't afford it. I can afford a balloon. I got the balloon. I'm struggling. How much is the grapple? A 15. I could just got the grapple. How weird. I'm so weird. Get off. Hey, what are you doing? Watching me? I watch.
You just need
Yes, bro. Are you gonna stop? Can you stop now? I missed it! I totally missed it! And I lost it. When you die, you lose it? That's unfair.
Let's do this.
That's unfair.
I'm gonna have a chicky wing.
I missed it. I just missed it. I just hate it. If you guys like the video, please subscribe. Please. This is my first YouTube video.
you want a chicken wing soup?
Is it time to shut it off?
Yeah?
Come on, guys. If you guys know this.
You come finish? Goodbye.
And goodbye, guys. We're just gonna end this video today. Right now. Goodbye. See you later.
Okay, see you later, everybody.
See you later.
See you later, everybody.
Bye.
Yeah.